Hello YouTube. This is a tool video on top of all the other videos I got. A friend of mine who brings stuff to me brought me a, I'm assuming these are homemade because there isn't either homemade or to beat the shit out of it, but they have a really homemade look to them. They're by no means perfect. They look like either a homemade farrier tongs or they're just some kind of black. So anyway, got this set of Blacksmith tongs. I got this one, which is really homemade. Look at the button on that one. See that? Apparently it's made for crimping something like this. The guy supposedly said it's for, I don't know, it's for squeezing something. So I thought it was cool. I mean, who the hell can resist a giant set of blacksmithy things? I don't have to buy one or sell it to them. But this one, I don't know, it looks like something Tonka would make. Because, you know, I got that big, say, giant ball crusher. Looks like it broke a few times right here, but yeah, it looks like it broke right here, broke right here. I'm pretty sure some ding dong painted it black because you know how long that patina is going to last on a freaking, what do you call it? Set of these things going with hot fire. So yeah, there's that one. And this one is actually pretty neat. This one looks like it's professionally made. So I don't know like if there's a name on it or what, but this looks really nice. I don't know if there's a forge mark on it or whatever, but it's, I am guessing it's a, I don't know how the hell to use this. Oh, yeah, it's a clapper. Whoa, yeah, go whatever team you're rooting for. Tell me to shut up anytime. So yeah, this one, this one looks like it's, I don't know, looks like either someone's really good at making tools or this is a commercially available, because there's not a lot of bings and bangs and dings and dongs, or somebody took a hell of a long time. Very creative. It could be like a, you know, spoon sword, whoosh, like fencing. Whoosh, whoosh. Okay, shut the hell up now. But yeah, pick up these. I got to weld some rings on my anvil over there, just because, and I got to put this with the rest of my pile of blacksmith tools that I found. I found a few other ones. I don't know where the hell they went, but they're actually good for picking up. Good for picking up hot metal, of course. If you're a goddamn blacksmith, of course you're picking up hot metal. It's not like you're banging on dry metal. But so anyway, that's the tool haul I got for today, and that's my story. I'm sticking to it. Like, subscribe, check out the stuff below, and enjoy. And if you have any comments about this or know what these do, please leave a comment on the bottom about the tools. And a comment about anything else, go leave it on someone else's page. Thanks a lot. Where's that thing?